Hello everybody, today we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features in the new Android 13 system. So the first feature that we would like to share with you, it's not new obviously, but it's still a cool feature to have and to activate if you haven't already, is the fingerprint unlock method, which allows you to, as you could already guess, to unlock the screen, the display of your device that runs the new Android 13 with your finger. So let's enter the security category of settings. In here you'll find the fingerprint unlock section, which you want to go for. Prior to enabling it, we need to set up some backup screen lock method as well from the list of pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with the pattern myself, enter the pattern that I would like to use, and then I will confirm it as well. Now choose what notification content will be shown at the lock screen, and we can start the enrollment process. So simply lay your finger onto this icon. As you can see, each time the scan is successful, it slightly rotates, therefore showing you visually where you need to put your finger at exactly. So lift your finger onto this moving icon to make sure that the entire surface of your fingerprint gets scanned. At some point in time, this little animation appears as well, which highlights the surface part of your fingerprint, which that needs to be scanned exactly, therefore helping you to undergo the enrollment process. A very cool feature that has been added in the new version of Android, which significantly improves and makes the process of adding the fingerprint way easier than it was previously. Now let's quickly test this feature out. As you can see, I slightly changed the position that I place my finger onto the scanner each time I do that, and it works just about every time and very swiftly and quickly, I should say. So a very cool feature to have once you want to improve the security of your system. The next tip / feature is the very anticipated fact that you can change the app language separately from the system language. In order to do that, you want to enter the system category of settings. I've just done that. Next, enter the languages and input section, go for the app languages. This page will pretty much contain all the apps that support this feature or this function. So choose what app you would like to change the language for. Let's say I'll go with Stick Around. And in here then simply proceed with the language choice. For example, let it be Deutschland. So just like so. As you can see, the changes that we have just made have taken effect, as it is displayed right here. So the app that is called Stick Around is now in German, in my case. The same process can be done for any app from the list that you'll have right here. Just like that. Alrighty, so moving on to the next step, which is the improved vibration settings, should I say. So let's enter the sound and vibration category of settings. In here, scroll the page down for a little bit. Let me fix my phone. And now there is the phone ringtone category. Oh, my bad, of course it's not. Vibration and haptics. And in here, as you can see, you'll have the separate bars, the separate regulations for the ring vibration, notification vibration, alarm vibration, touch feedback, and media vibration. Therefore, you can change all the mentioned things separately. So if you would like for the media vibration to be high, you can do that. If you do not want to have the touch haptics at all, you can disable them. And the same goes for pretty much any adjustment bar that you have over here. So a very cool feature to have, which allows you to customize and personalize the haptic feedback experience with your system. The next feature that we would like to show you in this video is located at the system category of settings as well. Just enter the gestures, and in here, this category actually contains the last two tips that we would like to highlight in this video. First of them being the fact that the quick tap to start actions field from now on allows you to toggle the torch. So once enabled, you can enable and respectively disable the flashlight by using the quick tap. I'm not very skillful in using it, to be honest, so let me figure it out for myself real quick. So as you can see, it is enabled. It shows to toggle the torch. Let me find the zone that makes it work, because while I was doing some tests previously, I was able to successfully toggle it on and off respectively. But now, as you can see, not really skillful. Oh, it actually shows that the quick tap has been detected. So let me leave this page. That's interesting. Oh, yeah, I finally managed to do that. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, as you can see, by tapping at the back of the phone, right over here somewhere near the Google icon or Google logo, I'm able to turn on and turn off the flashlight / torch, respectively. Oh my god, I was so scared that I will not able to show it, but I've managed to pull it off finally. Alrighty, and the fifth and final tip that we were to show you in this video. So while setting up the system during its first launch, by default you end up with the gestures navigation. As you could see for the entirety of this video, I'm guiding and navigating through my system, through my Android via gestures. So now you can, or not actually now, for a long time, honestly, but anyways, we were to show you that you can go for the 3-button navigation type still, and instead of navigating through your system via gestures, as I've been doing the entire video, you can simply use these digital buttons at the bottom part of your screen, just like so. And you can also get the navigation type back to gestures if you would like to, if you find the gestures navigation type more convenient, which I am myself, to be honest, so I'll switch it back. Alrighty, so those were all the 5 tips and features that we were intending to highlight and show you in this video. So I hope you liked it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.